Ever found yourself staring at your Windows login screen, desperately trying to remember your password? Or maybe you're just curious about what goes on behind the scenes when experts or hackers bypass these security measures? Either way, you're in the right place. Today, we're lifting the veil on some closely guarded secrets and showing you how to regain control of your Windows 10 computer using Hiren's BootCD. But before we begin, a quick disclaimer. This video is intended for educational purposes only. Unauthorized access to someone else's computer is illegal. Always make sure you're allowed to access the computer before proceeding. Now, let's get started. First off, download Hiren's BootCD from the official website. You'll get an ISO file, which is basically a disk image. Once you've got the ISO, you'll need to create a bootable USB. You can use free software like Rufus for this. Insert your USB drive, open Rufus, and choose the downloaded ISO as your source, then click Start. Now that you've got your bootable USB or DVD, it's time to insert it into the locked computer and reboot. You might need to press a certain key like F12, F2, or DEL to enter your BIOS or UEFI settings and change the boot order. In the BIOS or UEFI, navigate to the boot order settings and set your computer to boot from the USB drive or DVD, then save your settings and exit. You'll now see the Hiren's BootCD menu. From here, choose to boot into the Mini Windows XP or Mini Windows 10 environment. This will load a lightweight Windows interface. Now, go to Programs and navigate to the Security Encryption section, or wherever the password reset tool is located in your version of Hiren's BootCD. Open the password reset utility. It will ask you to select the Windows installation where you forgot your password. Select it and proceed. You'll see a list of user accounts. Choose the one you're locked out of and proceed to reset the password. Some versions will allow you to set a new password, while others will simply blank it out. After resetting, power off the Mini Windows environment and remove your Hiren's BootCD media. Now, reboot your computer. You should be able to log in using the new password, or with no password at all, if you chose to blank it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time.